you learn properly. Okay, so after completing the 7 days online training program, you when you want to work with your own project, you face a lot of problem, okay, a lot of issue. So that's why you're also providing the lifetime teaching support. So when you face any problem regarding any issue, just before 1 day, knock me and take your schedule time and then join and further discuss about this solution. Okay. So you can easily submit your all of assignment in your Google Classroom. So,
Okay, sir. In future, we will contact you, sir.
okay, thank you. Okay. So today is no more. So thank you everyone for joining this online training program.
It was
It
very
was a
wonderful
very
lecture,
nice.
sir.
Okay, thank
So
you.
it was a very nice session last for 7 days. But I think we lost one session in between after seven, sir. I think fourth session we lost. I think.
Yes.
I think we got only a recorded session only, but we didn't get any live session for on that. It's okay. We got records. We'll go through that. If you have any doubts, just we'll come up with you, sir.
Okay, no problem, no problem. Anytime, anytime. Okay, so basically, our online training program is the unique because we providing the lifetime teaching support. Suppose who first batch student, they can also get the supported. Okay, suppose basically when you do for your own project, you face the problem. So that's why we are also adding this lifetime teaching support. You try to learn, and then face any problem, you can get the support. No problem.
Sure, sir. Sure, sure. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Okay, so today is no more. Thank you for joining. Okay, okay. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Have a good night. Okay, bye. There is no date about that. You can easily, when you complete, simply submit that. Okay? There is no deadline.
Yeah, that's fine, sir. But I'm working on that drought monitoring. This one, sir.
Yeah. Okay. So
Just I need
yeah.
I need the full details of that code for sir, GE code.
Okay, no problem. You try to
Drought
develop
monitoring.
this type of drought monitoring. Suppose first of all, you try to find out that drought index. Suppose VCI, vegetation condition index, vegetation health index, or vegetation condition index. So these type of things you try to develop first. Okay, because you already know about that how we can easily calculate the different types of index. So now try to develop these type of things. Then if you can face the problem, then you can also discuss with me, no problem. Okay, so first of all, after completing the total 7 days, you learn lot of things. So now this type of things you have to apply and then create the different types of algorithm, okay, for your own analysis. And when you face any problem, then I will guide you for that, no problem.
Sure, sir.
Okay.
Sure. Thank you, sir.
And
I'll come back to you.
okay, no problem. And as well as if you want to interest a more online training program, so basically we also provide the different types of online training program also. In this time you try to complete for this Google Earth engine, for basically it's a primary level. Okay, suppose in the primary level we also provide this type of technique. It's for any person who are totally zero knowledge about the coding, totally zero knowledge about the Google Earth engine, they can easily learn and also do this type of analysis. But we are also providing for a special online training program for different topics such as water quality monitoring using Google Earth engine, as well as also we talk about that this is the private training program for the water quality monitoring, as well as if you want you can also check about that web application. So basically in Google Earth engine platform we also create the different types of web application for represent our work, such as we can see the drought monitoring web application, water quality monitoring web application, air quality monitoring. So this type of web application, any users they can easily use, and then they can easily get different types of data. So this is the another online training program for the Google Earth engine. So basically Google Earth engine web application, we are also providing this type of things, as well as we also try to discuss about that water resource management. Okay, it's also coming soon. And we also discuss about that Python. Basically in this time we talk about only for that Google Earth engine JavaScript API. But when you want to apply the deep learning is available for the Python is free, but Google Earth engine JavaScript Python deep learning is not free. So that's why we are also combining, suppose Google Earth engine and Python for deep learning we combine and create the another online training program So basically in this online training program, you will learn the deep learning, how we can easily combine with Google Earth Engine and also work for the TensorFlow, scikit-learn or cross, this type of things. It also learn about that for that CNN model or AN model or TensorFlow, how we can easily use, or UNet, this type of model, how we can easily apply in Google Earth Engine combined with deep learning Python. You can easily learn it from this online training program. As well as we also providing the R. So basically in the R, we can easily do different types of remote sensing analysis using R, Google Earth Engine. Google Earth Engine also supported R. And there's a lot of things we can easily do about that. As well as we also providing the agriculture sector. Suppose anyone who are interested to the agriculture precision, they can easily learn from here agriculture precision. Basically in this time we just focus about that only for the agricultural topic, how we can easily do for the different types of remote sensing data, optical, thermal or radar data, how we can easily use. And then we do for the different types of analysis for agricultural precision, soil water balance or different types of, for only for the agricultural topic in this time we also cover. So as well as RGIS, QGIS, also you can see we also talk about that another online training program, which is mainly drone imagery, how we can easily use the drone imagery and detect the different types of object or segmentation. So this is another online training program for that drone imagery, how we can easily handle using that. So further, if you want to join this type of online training program, simply you can check all of those things from our website. And further, if you want it, then you can simply contact with me. Then I will give you that best number, running best. You can easily join with them, and then you can easily learn. Okay. So all of course, and when you complete your all of assignment, you can easily get this certificate. You can easily download it from our website after completing all of assignment. Okay, just simply you can take your get the, simply click on the emails, then you can easily download your own certificate. Okay, simply download, then you can easily download this, put your own ID. So basically it's the ID number, put your ID number or roll number and then enter, then you can easily download your certificate from here. Okay, so just try to do all of assignment. First of all, try to completely learn all of those things for total 7 days online training program. Then if you're interested in more training program, then you can easily join and further learn the more advanced online training program on Google Earth Engine or remote sensing or GIS or artificial intelligence. You can easily learn. Okay, so these are total 7 days online training program. So now you try to learn properly all of those things, and face any problem regarding this online training program, you can get the lifetime teaching support when you face any problem. Okay, so any question or any comment, you can just tell me about that.